Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Westra, and I'm going to be showing you some of the notes I've taken, along with some of the things I've learned from TCM. So first, here are the notes. They are work in progress still, but we have a lot of stuff about functions. We went into the terminal, and we made a new folder, and we also did mousepad, and then we made some code through that. And this is the code that we used. There's also some other things I've learned, like sudo overview. This is just a Kali Linux cheat sheet. It's just tells you some stuff about Kali Linux and, you know, Boolean expressions. I don't have anything in here. Users and privileges. I got. Oh, there's supposed to be some pictures loaded there. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this shows different things about users and privileges and some information you can get when typing like ls and then -la. This is empty because, as I said, the notes are still a big work in progress. Functions, I went through that already. Hunting subdomains, this is what we've been working on recently. So sublister, that's something you can kind of download to put into your virtual machine. CRT, you find subdomains, lots of good stuff. Random notes and commands, these are going to be separated into different pages in the future, but iconfig, which lists wire connections, wconfig, which lists wireless connections. I don't know if I said wireless for this one, but this is wired connections and this is wireless. ARP-A, which shows what IP address is associated with what MAC address. Route, which shows the routing table. Netstat identifies what services are there, and a bunch of other fun stuff. So, in the Kali Linux, if I type ls, because I'm not in anything right now, so I can go into Python and then type ls again, and we have a bunch of stuff. TCM, Python training, that's where all of the stuff that I've been working on recently is. ls. We got Boolean expressions and relational operators. There's nothing else here because I actually put it into a different folder that is for Git Kraken. Here's some other stuff I should show. So IP sweep. If I go ahead and type in mousepad ipsweep.sh, oh, hang on, that's glitched a little bit real quick. Let me reopen my terminal. I'm gonna go into my Python directory. I'm going to ls, and right here we have ipsweep.sh. I'm going to mousepad ipsweep.sh, and here is something we have. So what this does is it pings an IP, so you can type in ipsweep.sh and then an IP number. So let me show you. So if I type this, what it does is it'll pop up. It basically searches for IPs, and what happens next is like it will show. Okay, so it shows what IPs can be found on your network, and then if I just ls, I'll do mousepad ips.text, and in here it shows the two IPs that can be found on your network. So if I do if I do IP sweep sh, and then do a arrow and then ips.text, what it does is it saves these two IPs into this text file right here. So another thing, so if I type this in, it will show this, but it will also cut some stuff out. So what I'm telling it to do is IP .txt, and I'm telling it to cut out some very specific stuff. Another thing I can do here is something called nmap, and if I do this, what it's doing is it is scanning the computer currently, and it's going to see if any of these IPs are basically alive right now. Okay, so nothing's happened yet. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you some other notes that I've taken that I have not shown. So if I go here, there's notes about networking. So please do not throw away sausage. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. That is one thing. It's a good way to remember physical data link, network, transport session, presentation, application. And then here's just a video about subnetting. Here's some IP address tools. If we click this, it'll just you can try to you can do a lot to an IP address. Guide. This is just a Google Sheets. It helps you out with IP addresses. You can find how many. You can actually use these to find like how many electronics are around, how many are connected to an IP. Here's TCP, UDP, and the three-way handshake. I'm not going to read all of this because it's very long. But basically, it's a protocol that provides reliable. This is just TCP. It provides reliable, ordered, and error-checked delivery of data packets over an IP network, and does some other stuff. IP addresses. This is just some stuff I did, and I don't think I finished it, but it searched, and it searched 256 IP addresses. There are 0 hosts up, and it scanned all of this in 104.19 seconds. But yeah, that's what I've been working on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the future.